Welcome to this edition of CPWN. I'm Clarence Sponsor. Today got some new lights to show you in this new year of 2018. These lights were purchased just last week. In place of Christmas lights, I'll be using these strand lights, and yes, I can control up to 20 different colors. So it won't be just white, it'll be blue, it'll be pink, purple, turquoise, other colors. Along with this Christmas gift, the Sydney Opera House 3D lamp. Didn't expect that I was getting that tonight, or back on Christmas Day. So these are the new lights that'll be installed, or were installed, across the living room of my apartment, along with the other lights that I'm going to show you together in the next video. For now, we're going to showcase you these lights standalone to show you what it looks like in this apartment with only these on. So there you go, new year and new lights in this apartment to make the scene look better and be prepared for future holidays so that I don't have to use individual Christmas lights, exclusively Christmas lights, that go out in a few years of use. Trust me, I know by experience. That will conclude this edition for the first time in 2018 of CPWN. Clarence Sponsor saying, have a nice day or evening if it's nighttime. Goodbye.